Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Pass Question 29. The fencing and partitioning of a pasture land into paddocks is meant to A. Suppress weeds that compete with pasture crops, B. Control grazing and ensure regeneration of pasture, C. Allow free movement of ruminants on the pasture, D. Prevent lodging of the pasture plant. So we are looking at some of the practices carried out on a pasture land, and a pasture land, or simply referred to as pasture, is a piece of land containing grass for farm animals, specifically ruminants animals such as sheep, goats and cattle, to eat as it grows. So it's a piece of, you can say it's a piece of land where grasses are grown specifically for the purpose of feeding ruminant animals. Now, another concept we see in the question here is paddocks. Now, a paddock, as it relates to a pasture, is a temporary small subdivision of a pasture made with a fence. So that subdivision is intensely grazed for a day and left to regenerate for at least 80 days. So the purpose of a paddock, that is the small subdivision of a pasture, is to allow for intense grazing, intense controlled grazing, and also to allow for regeneration of that particular portion of the pasture. Now, among the options listed to us, option B says control grazing and ensure regeneration of a pasture, and from the function or the purpose of a paddock that we have described here, it is made to control grazing and also to ensure that the pasture or that portion of the pasture is left to regenerate. So option B, control grazing and ensure regeneration of pasture, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.